For raw titanium to the critical digital flight control unit, every component is secured. The simulation confirms perfect deflection before takeoff.
Batch 747 verified. Ensure segregation from the carbon fiber.
Acknowledged. Scanning the next pallet now.
The automated ultrasonic probe detects subsurface flaws, cross-referenced against the digital twin.
The metallurgical analysis on the titanium is confirmed. We have the consistency lock.
Good. Now verify the thermal stress on the airframe bulkheads, process B.
The final separation decision is made. The titanium moves to DFCU machining, while the composites head to airframe assembly.
Thermal sensors reading nominal across the board.
Good. We are green for activation.
A high-power multi-axis water jet removes excess material with surgical precision, shaping the panel to ripples. The finished carbon fiber panels are organized on transport jigs. A final laser scan confirms zero warpage. Temperature stabilized at -40. DFCU performance remains nominal across all parameters.
Confirmed. Rafale flight profile executed without degradation.
Look at the alpha response.
Flawless articulation, stability is fully maintained. The final metrics are perfect across all profiles. Process A is complete.
Agreed. The digital flight control unit is certified for integration.
Ensure the yellow bundle clears the loom right here.
Understood. Applying the specialized clamp now.
Ensuring geometric perfection, the wing box is maneuvered into position where robotic alignment arms precisely guide it into the fuselage attachment points.
The technician installs the complex linkage rod, connecting the hydraulics to the elevon. This translates
The bay dimensions match the module specs.
Good. Power check complete. We are green for product A.
Alignment is perfect.
Activating automated fastening sequence.
Verify 3D4B to the flight control unit.
Confirmed. Termination point secured and labeled.
This highly controlled movement marks a major milestone in the secondary manufacturing process, preparing the Rafale for ground testing.
Connecting the complex video and power harnesses, relying on data from the digital flight control unit, confirms the integration of the pilot-machine interface.
Steady, lateral alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Engaging clamps now.
Alignment confirmed by fixtures.
Hydraulic lines connected, sensors green. Test the retraction.
Final torque sequence complete on mount AB.
Roger that. Initiating laser alignment on the center line now. Readings look good.
The scanner performs a comprehensive check for microscopic defects, ensuring the stealth coating meets precise aerodynamic requirements. Green light.
The connection is flawless.
Safety pins removed, gear clear.
Roger that. Final confirmation. The aircraft is ready for taxi.
The DFCU calibration is complete. We need full envelope high-G maneuvering on this sortie.
Understood. Pushing the limits of the flight controls is the priority.
The physical stress on the airframe is immense, but the digital flight control unit continuously monitors and adjusts thousands of times per second.
The digital flight control unit provides the precise stability required for this delicate maneuver, compensating for turbulence with zero latency.
We have the logs. Verify the performance metrics against the calibration data.
Everything checks out. Functional integrity confirmed.
Flawless performance from the DFCU. Handled beautifully.
Good to hear, pilot.